Vets here. Let's go ahead and take a look at our forecast. Another active weekend in regards to the weather world. We're talking about another winter storm pushing through our viewing area. Here we go. We've got winter storm warnings out for most of our eastern slopes here as far south as Wythe County, Bland, Tazewell, and this stretches all the way up to Pocahontas County there. The southeastern portion of Pocahontas County actually won't have this warning go into effect until tonight at midnight, but everybody else will see this warning go into effect tonight at 7, and both of those warnings run until noon tomorrow. And then winter weather advisories along our western slopes here, Buchanan, McDowell, Wyoming County, Raleigh, Fayette, and northwestern Pocahontas County. That advisory runs from 9 o'clock tonight until 10 in the morning. So yeah, again, more winter weather on the way. What are the impacts from the system? We're looking again at this system pushing through tonight and through early Sunday. Widespread heavy snowfall out of the system. I think we're going to see a good burst of snowfall tonight in some areas. Icy and slick roads and low visibility, especially with that heavy snow as we go into tonight and even into your early Sunday morning. And then isolated power loss as well. Can't rule out some power outages from the system as well. Can't say that the power is going to go out, but I can definitely say there's a chance. So have those devices that you need, charge up the iPad, the phone, things like that tonight, especially if the power goes out tonight and into tomorrow morning. We're just seeing a lot of clouds right now on our satellite and radar, not really seeing much in regards to precipitation. The returns there are trying to show up a little bit along Highway 460 here. That rain not quite reaching the ground yet. It's actually evaporating before it reaches the surface because it's just too dry at the surface. We call that virga in meteorology. Now you see two systems kind of working together towards our area. We've got low pressure at the surface to our south and then a low pressure system above our heads just to our west. That low pressure system above our heads will kind of power the system as we go into tonight. You kind of see how the two systems work together. After midnight, that rain and that snow really begins to push into the viewing area, and then into the morning hours tomorrow, we're still talking about snowfall widespread. I'm thinking through the late morning hours tomorrow. Now, right now, we're dry. Southwest Virginia Community College camera, still, again, plenty of clouds out there, but not seeing precipitation. Temperatures still above freezing as well. All good news there. If you have any evening plans, maybe go to the grocery store, get some of that emergency kit stuff, things like that. Maybe get stuff for the big game tomorrow, just in case you don't want to have to travel in this mess tomorrow afternoon. Temperatures upper 20s, low 30s tonight. After midnight, that's when that widespread snow pushes in, and again, it will be heavy at times, folks. I'm talking a burst of snow in some areas. We could see 1 to 2 inches of snowfall per hour in some areas, so something to pay attention to. Here's the timing on this system as we go after midnight. That's when that snow really pushes in along Route 460, south of that, I-81, along our southern counties right after midnight, 1 o'clock. Then as we go into the early morning hours, look at this, widespread snow across the viewing area. Could be talking about some heavy snowfall as well. And I'm thinking even your late morning hours, you headed to church, work, or even breakfast in the morning, boy, roads are going to be awful. Snow covered, I'm talking about icy conditions, low visibility with the snow continuing. And then by the afternoon, we finally begin to dry things out, but roads are still going to be slick throughout the afternoon and evening. Then we get into another issue. We dry out, but temperatures drop into the teens tomorrow night into Monday morning. So we're talking about refreeze for your Monday morning commute. So again, this system is going to have impacts with us for the next 24 to 36 hours. Here's your snowfall map. Find your location on the map there. I'm thinking everybody has a general chance of seeing 3 to 5 inches of snowfall. If you live along the far western slopes, you'll see a little bit less snow, but nevertheless, everybody has a good chance of seeing several inches of snowfall as we go into tonight. Keep it safe tonight, folks. Slick roads tomorrow and Monday. We do warm back up a little bit into the 40s, but we are talking about some unsettled, really weather chances throughout midweek. That's your forecast.